Arts and Craft Little Star.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video. How are you all? This channel name is Art and Craft Little Star. Today, how to make a cell phone stand. After watching this video, like, share, comment, subscribe if you have seen the video for the first time. This origami is very easy to do. Let's go to the video. Need to make a sheet, one sheet of A4 size paper. I will start with the harder sheet of paper to make it is steadier at the end. First of all, we need to fold in half. So just bring one side to the other and make a crease. Now on the bottom side, we need to bring both halves to the middle, creating two new diagonal folds. First this one and then the other. And repeat the same step. With the top, just bring this half to the middle and there repeat with the other. Then this time we need to keep folded. Now in the part that is left, we have to fold the side on the last fold as in this image. First this one and then the other. Now let's fold the bottom side up. Just use the existing line as a reference and bring the paper up. And turn the paper over. First, the right side, try to do more accurate as possible. This is the result. Now do the same with the other side. The next step very similar, but now we will have to connect the middle, the bottom of the same point. Right side is done. Let's repeat the same with the other. And turn the paper over. Let's fold the corner up connecting those 2 points here. Then using the existing crease, holding half. Now 2 feet bring one side done and place the other on top. And now keep the line one on top of the other. Take a look at this. What is left inside? Adjust when placing the cell phone. Our cell phone stand is ready. Friends, do you want to know about any craft videos? Comment on what craft video you want in the comment box. Okay friends, to know more about many little craft videos, you can subscribe to it. Like, share and comment on it. Thanks for watching.